What's going on, YouTube fam? Guys, not everything in this world has to be hype. You need some sneakers to go run your errands, go around the house, go chill out, go visit a friend. You're not going to be rocking your grails to go visit a friend or something like that. Even though if you're a little cuckoo in the membrane like me, yes, I wear them to even go to the grocery store. But guys, that's a whole different story. I shouldn't be doing that because at the end of the day, you never know what could happen to them. So that's why I'm bringing this right here. And the pricing of these shoes are intense and the quality is out of control. Let's check them out. I'm not even going to show you the presentation because this thing makes me feel like vomiting all over my nipples. But it is what it is. Check this out, guys. Yes! The Air Max 1 Classic Dusty Cactus. Yes, it's a Dusty Cactus. That is the worst name that I have ever... Nike has the worst names. You guys know that I've been railing on them when it comes to the names of these shoes. Dusty Cactus, Jesus. Anyways, guys, let's take a quick look at these bad boys. Check this out, guys. Look at the leather in the whole toe box that obviously surrounds the whole sneaker. The leather's beautiful, bro. Tumbled leather, soft, plush. Look at the knitting in the front. Bro, you can't complain. I'm talking about very nice mesh all the way through. And all the gray on it, it's actually in suede and a very nice hairy suede. Yes.
Just like I like my fur burgers.
But like I was saying, besides the non-awkward moment right there, guys, check it out, bro. Look at the sewing in the back, the stitching of the Nike Air. Everything is beautiful on these sneakers. Look at the air bubble, the nice white with white. Oh, bro, come on, dog. White on white.
I call the charge. Whip it real hard. Whip it real hard.
That's roast. Check out the sole of these sneakers, guys. Look at that beauty, man. Look at that all the way through. And the actual insole has the Nike Air in teal. The tongue actually has the same mesh as the actual toe box and the rest of the shoe. And it has the Nike logo in the top right there, nice and sewn on. Look at the quality, guys. Check out the quality on that, bro. In teal with white. Bro, this thing is gorgeous. It's gorgeous all the way through. It's what I tell people in this world. Why the hell are you missing out on this type of sneaker right here that you could save yourself money? Well, retail price, they're pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie to you. But it's not talking about that, guys. We're talking about the simple fact that you could get these on discount all day, every day. Plus a bunch of Air Maxes that honestly, I should bring up more of these shoes, review shoes that people truly want and not constantly the hype thing. I hate just bringing up hype shoes. The hype shoes, everybody knows that they're gonna die out. It is what it is. It's already dying out. And prototypically, these are the type of shoes that individuals buy. You want to go to the theme park. You want to go to places like that. Guys, I know I do the sneaker travel. I know that I'm not, let's put it like this. I'm not really being fair over here because I wear all these grails and theme parks and go to museums and stuff like that. But honestly, if I didn't have a sneaker channel, if I wasn't an influencer, if I wasn't a reviewer, if I wasn't any of this, I would not use those shoes to go to a theme park. If you guys saw the Epic Universe when I was invited over there, bro, those Supremes ended up looking like vomit. Literally, it was all full of puke and shit. And well, it's not technically puke. Maybe there was a little kid there that just saw them and was like, what are those? Yeah, I never know that. At least with my eyes, I didn't see it. But you guys know what I'm trying to say over here. There, you got spit and shit all over the shoes and people dropping ice creams in the floor and things spattering. That, guys, that's not truly what this is all about. That, as a matter of fact, if there was one thing that I could truly say about shoes is people like to criticize others for not wearing their grails. Well, guys, let's be realistic about something over here. You do whatever the hell you want with your shoes. Like if you feel like rubbing them in your ass crack, that's your problem. That's nobody's issue in this world. What do you do if you wear them or you don't wear them? Whatever, bro. That's the problem with this whole community. Always somebody has to say a smart ass move. It's just the way it works, and that's the whole point of this channel. Do what you like to do. Wear what you really want to wear. But if there is a truth about it, for those that have grails and very expensive sneakers, that at the end of the day, they're going to cost you a pretty penny if you destroy them. These are the type of shoes that you want. High quality, great material, and a great price. Guys, it is what it is. Bueno, bonito y barato. That's the way it is, guys. Till next time, everybody. Remember, I'm gonna start bringing more of these. Oh, because it's realistically, guys. Realistically, this is more what the common man wears. It is what it is, guys. And I gotta bring all type of reviews and all type of shoes for everybody in this world. Like I said, guys, I'll be bringing more of these. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Stay positive, stay happy. Always, guys, don't let those bitter ones destroy your soul. Peace! El cohete!